Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing all of the features for the Koala Inspector Chrome extension, and I'm also going to show you just how easy it is to spy on any Shopify store using this tool. So with that being said, let's jump into my computer and review this Koala Inspector right now. Once you have successfully added the Chrome extension to your web browser, you're going to pull up one of your Shopify competitors. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Alo Yoga. So after you have your Shopify competitor pulled up, just simply click on the Koala Inspector Chrome extension in the top right-hand corner where you've already pinned it. You'll notice that immediately an overview box pops up. This allows you to analyze things like website traffic, ad campaigns, best-selling products. You can even find retailers where your competitors are sourcing these products from. You can also get things like exclusive Shopify app discounts and so much more. So now we're going to review all of these features in greater detail. Over here on the top of the tab, you're going to see things like categories, the number of products that are listed on this competitor's website, and a cool feature is this actually shows you when their store launched. Then you'll see that the last update that they made to their website was on January 15th, 2025. If you are curious about the particular theme that this competitor is using, you will find the theme information right here, and then if you want to use that theme, all you have to do is simply click this Use Theme button. This section right here shows you the different Shopify apps that this competitor has installed on their website, which is really important because you want to make sure that you're adding the correct apps to your store. That way your customers have the best experience. If you continue scrolling, you'll see things like live trends, which shows you in real time different updates on your competitor's website. You will see that the Airbrush 7/8 high waist flutter leggings were added on August 9th, 2021, and it's had a 3,000% increase since last month. Obviously, this is a live update saying that these leggings are a hot seller, which is good to know because then you can sell similar items and see success on your store as well. If you scroll on down to shop traffic, you will see the data for the shop's traffic. This tab will show you different data metrics such as average monthly traffic, different changes in the traffic, and if you scroll down, this little graph will show you the monthly visits, and you just simply hover over each month to get the data. It's important to note your competitor's monthly traffic because you want to compare your website traffic with your competitors, so that way you can see, what months need improvement or what seasons need to be improved upon. Scrolling down, you can also see the different traffic sources. So if you hover over this, you'll see social media, direct searches, referrals, mail, and then just direct typing into Google. You will also see the social distribution. This feature shows you the exact social channel, which is really cool. You'll see Reddit, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. The geo-targeting map also shows you the different locations of that traffic. So primarily, where is the traffic coming from? Again, it's important to have all of this competitor analysis so that way you can compare your competitors' results to your own store and then make improvements accordingly. Next, we are going to review ad campaigns. This is one of my favorite features with the Koala Inspector Spy tool because rather than having to sift through Google or Facebook or Instagram individually, you simply click one button and now you can see all of your competitors' ads. It's even easily broken down by different platforms. So Google ads are all listed here, Facebook is here, and Instagram is here. Being able to see your competitors' ads is actually really important because that way you can see what kind of copy is working, different visuals and creatives, along with the hooks that they're using. Rather than trying to reinvent the wheel, just check out your competitors' ad campaigns and simply make adjustments according to your brand. Now to get a better overview of your competitor's website structure, we are going to click on this tab and you will see all of the apps that they've added to their store. You'll see things like shipping or returns and exchanges, even what app they're using for loyalty and rewards programs. You can add this app to your Shopify website directly from the Koala Inspector tool. All you have to do is click the Get App. You can also add the app using another section within the tool, which we will review here in a moment. Moving on to products. This section allows you to see the number of products that have been listed on this website, when the product was first published, and when the last product was purchased. You'll also see the average price and the lowest price. You can easily sift through all of your competitors' products, or you can check out their best-selling, their new products, and then of course your favorites. To add products to your favorites, all you're going to do is simply select the product that's your favorite and then click on the heart-shaped symbol. Now you can easily collect a list of your favorite products, select this box, and your list of favorites will be right here. That way, you don't have to sift through a bunch of different websites or a bunch of different lists. It's all compiled right here inside of the Koala Inspector tool. Let's say you want to check out the best-selling products. You see that the Accolade crew neck is a bestseller. If you want to add this to your website, all you have to do to figure out where they're sourcing the product from is click on Find Retailers. The Koala Inspector Chrome extension will then give you a list of retailers where you can source that exact same product from. It also gives you the option to search for things manually using this little button in AliExpress. If you want to add this to your favorites list, you can easily hit the little heart-shaped symbol there, go back to Find Retailers, hit My Favorites, and it's easily been added. If you want to easily export all of these products, or let's say the best-selling products, the Koala Inspector allows you to export them by one simple click of a button. You just hit Export CSV. This button will allow you to download the entire file, and then you can upload the CSV file into your Shopify store as is. You will have complete listings with things such as product descriptions, pricing, and more. On the New Products tab, you will see all of the new products that were just uploaded. Here are all of the dates, and here are all of the prices. Moving on to the Live Trends section, if you click on Live Trends, you will see real-time data. As I mentioned previously, this section gives you the ability to see when a hot selling item was added and compare it to recent sales within the last month. This allows you to analyze different products that are on your competitor's website, and if you find a product that matches your brand and your style and you want to sell it on your website, you just simply click Find Retailers. Here again, you will see that the Koala Inspector has given you a list of retailers where you can source this product from as well. The Live Trends tab also gives you an idea of how the stock is performing. So you can compare it to when was the stock added to the website and how is it performing sales-wise. If you want to track your competitors, all you have to do is go to the Overview tab, simply click on Track Shop. This will allow you to see different changes that are made on your competitor's website, and you will also receive email notifications. Once you select Track Shop, you will see a list of all the shops that you'd like to track. To receive these email notifications, all you have to do is hit the little bell. Then you'll select Confirm Changes. This allows you to easily be notified every time your competitors make a change on their website. So let's say you pull up the Koala Inspector and you're on the Overview page. To simply see a list of all of your favorite products, you can go down and click on the Favorite Products tab. There, you'll easily find all of your favorite products across every single competitor's website. And if you want to check out all the shops you've tracked, simply go to Tracked Shops. This will show you a list of all of the shops that you have tracked. Another great thing about the Koala Inspector is that it offers you the ability to add apps to your Shopify store directly from the Chrome extension and at a reasonable discount. So once you figure out what apps your competitors are using, you simply come to the apps discount section, and all you have to do is click on the Get App link. This will open up the Shopify App Store and allow you to easily download any of these apps directly onto your website. You also get a discount by adding the app through the Koala Inspector tool. The Koala Inspector has 3 plans and allows you to easily upgrade at any time. You can start with the free plan and get familiar with all of the resources and the tool, and then you can upgrade whenever you're ready. With the unlimited plan, that's only $55 per month, you have unlimited access to all of the Inspector Tools features, meaning you have unlimited access to spy on all of your competitors and their products, their apps, their different campaigns, and so much more. With the unlimited plan, there really is no limit. The Koala Inspector really makes it so easy to spy on your competitors. If we go back to the Overview tab, you'll see that this main tab is literally an overview of your competitor's website. You have the Shopify applications that they have on their site. You see the live trends. You also have the ability to click deeper into these sections by clicking these buttons here. You have an overview of the shop traffic. Certain products are listed here, which you can then gather more details by clicking on all products. You have an overview of the platforms that they're running ads on, and you can add the same apps your competitors are using to your website, plus get a discount just by using these links here. Down here, you have all of these social media icons, so you can spy on your competitors easily there as well. This is the overview section. If you want to take a deeper dive into different sections, you can also come to the little menu bar and select which area you want to take a deeper dive into. That is an overview of the Koala Inspector Chrome extension and just how easy it is to spy on your competitors, gather useful information and data to then go ahead and implement into your own business starting today. Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to learn more about how you can successfully spy on other Shopify store owners who are doing the kind of revenue that you want to do, then visit the Chrome store and simply download the Koala Inspector Chrome extension today.